What? What do you want? Well, how about that? We're anchored off this little village in Suriname. Just want to show you how fast the current's running. That, can you hear it as well? That current is really running hard and fast. This is the little village. That's it. That's the village. It's got a pub. Can't believe how fast the current is. Boy wouldn't want to get in there. He wouldn't come back to the boat. Look at that water flowing.
What you need, take you on a trip to a house by the sea. Lay all day, get tan, no spray. You caught my eye, now we catch waves. Small and so pretty, skirt is so mini. Princess like Disney, heartbeat fast. Run quick, come get me. Run quick, you too sweet, all treat, no trick. Yeah, clean it, clean with no one in sight. Whole scene, all ships. Yeah, lay away for a day plus. Call out, no work, take a week off. Peace, feeling so bliss. Phone ring, work on new phone. Who's this? Come my way, come my way. No work, all day. You feel my vibe, you catch my wave. Come my way, come my way. No work, all day. You feel my vibe, you catch my
How'd it go, boy? All okay? Come on. Wanna come for a ride? Come on, boy. Come on. You watch, he's too scared to come down the ladder because the ladder's there. Come on. Come on down. Come on. Come on down. Come on, Frady Bliss. Come on, scaredy cat. Come on. Come on, scaredy cat. Come on. Watch this. I'll put the ladder down and then you watch him barrel down. Here we go. Boy, come on. Come on. Come on. No ladder. Come on. Come on, down you come. Look at this. Totally different, eh? Come on. Come on. There you go. Up you go. Go on.
Sundown with the ocean low. Yellow fire got us feeling so emotional. Only known you for a week or so. Still about ready to complete it with a ring or two. My apologies, thoughts getting ahead of me. I wrote you a melody, I'll build you a balcony. Retire in the marina by seaside, east side. Living got nothing, we on the beach side. Tide high, the salt water on clean feet. Picked you up, discovered I was a neat freak. Soft lips, I caught them with these teeth. Closed eyes, let it be surprised, I don't peek. No need, we don't speak, just you and me. No lease, just new sheets with no crease. Nightfall, no iPhone, the birds speak. We put the R&B in Airbnb, yeah. Come my way, come my way. No work, all day. You feel my vibe, you catch my wave. Come my way, come my way. No work, all day. You feel my vibe, you catch my
Level's down.
I'm down.
Rick's feeling a bit usual.
Boys down.
Rick's feeling a bit usual, like always gets a bit stirred up before we leave. And a few little downstairs jobs I've got to do before we start sailing, once we get out of the river. We don't sound very excited, do we?
No. According to Navionics, we can go straight to our course over there now, but I think there's going to be too many fishing nets over there to do that.
Alright, you want to come up, boy? Oh! But you're the rest of us, eh? Went to look for the turtles this morning.
That was unsuccessful too.
Tenderant. This trip will be successful though, dear. That again. I'm not sure if you can tell, but this is the floodwaters from the Suriname River meeting the ocean waters?
Yeah.
Meeting the ocean waters. Isn't it pretty specky? I tell you what's not specky though, is that out there, that weather.
No, and that's the direction we're headed.
Let's hope we head behind it. This is the navigator.
Yeah. There's my charts.
Don't knock your coffee over.
No, but I don't want to hit
Knock
this
the ship
bloody
over.
buoy. Look how close we're coming to the buoy.
Door called life. Have you opened it yet? Have you gone to the cliff and looked over the edge? Or did you stay in bed with the covers over your head? While you dream with your eyes closed, I dance on the tightrope. I trust the maestro that spun my kaleidoscope. My path emerged in a flash like a lightning bolt. When the tidal wave crashed, then I ride the flow. Surf the earth as I dance with the mystery. Destiny whispers sweet nothings while kissing me. I'm in love with the unexpected on the fringe, trying to build a bridge and connect it. When I question what the quest is, then I go inside and remove doubt like asbestos. Bless this house, my body is a temple. My spirit flows like lyrics on instrumental.
I don't think you can see it. Unfortunately, it's just not enough light. But this is an oil exploration drilling rig. We've seen geoseismic vessel out here with the tenders. There is lots of activity out here. Oh, Dawn's coming. Lucky Dawn. 15 different ships around us right at this moment in time coming onto Dawn, including the rigs are classed as ships on the AIS. So busy space out here. What are we? We've 140 miles northwest of Paramaribo. We've had a good run, really had a good run. We spent about 4 hours trying to get out of the Suriname River and the leads yesterday, and we were doing between 3 and 4 knots. And as soon as we cracked into the breeze out here, we were doing 8s, and it looks like we're on target to do about 180 mile day, which is averaging 8 knots, and considering we had 4 hours at 4 knots, we've been flying.
Good morning, it's day 2 and overcast today. I've come across, and I think Rick's already talked about them, but I've come across so many oil riggers and different sorts of searching vessels for oil. So here, I'll just see if you can see them from here. Different from the Atlantic, like we had nobody. Couldn't see anybody for miles. And then the only ones we did do, they were just fishing. I can't remember what they were, but they were submersed under the water anyway, so we didn't really see them anyway. We've got another 1, 2, half a dozen out over there too, but they're a bit too far to see for camera. All night we've been keeping our eye out for more, but it's nice to know it's a bit easier than moving ships because they're just sort of pretty well stationary, so you roughly know that where you aim you're going to be fine because they're not going to move or change direction, do anything silly, you hope. Another pleasant day. As you can see, we still haven't put any warmer clothes on. We didn't put any jumpers or anything on, or jackets on last night. We stayed with bare arms. So it's been a pleasant night all round.
Take a step back, look around. I'm going round in circles with my feet back on the ground. Feel the warm sun on my skin. The world's so big, so much to see. It's a good day to begin.
We're on day 3 from our trip from Suriname to US Virgin Islands, and last night it was raining on and off with wind squalls, and today fairly rainy, so we probably had 18 hours of showers and squalls, and now we're back to sun for a little while. It's been warm all the time, so we haven't, that's been great. We took our boom cover down so we can sail with the main and everything, and we got a bit sunburnt yesterday, so we put it up again today. We've got both our staysail and genoa up, and we're doing between late 6s to 8.5 knots, so, and it's a comfortable ride, so we don't feel that the main needs to go up, which is keeping us from the elements, the boom cover. So, well, we've got a few hours. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. We've got a few hours of sun left. All in all, pretty comfortable. Until you have to do the dishes, and then it's you realise how much you are moving around. Okie dokie. Woo, it's a big one. If I don't talk to you tonight, we'll catch you in the morning. Au revoir.
Day to begin.